Hi everyone, welcome back to today's live stream with Golden Girl. Hi BJ. Hi everyone, welcome back. Wow, in the early Asian session today until now, gold price today really impressive to all traders. It's moving $400, right? It's decrease and increase again, recover again, total $800, right? So really crazy for today gold market. Great picks today. Yeah, you can see this summary table I insert on the left side of the chart. Our winning rate today, yeah, in the early Asian session. Hi, Api. Welcome back, my friends. Thank you so much for joining my live stream today. Yeah, I'm good. I hope that, yeah, you will also have the same good trading results like me. And you can see that in the early Asian session until the London session, gold price is decreased, right? It's falling down drastically, and that's why I focus on the most of the sell signal. And now gold recover again. So incredibly that it recovered $400. Yeah, $400 just from the London session until now. Oh, okay. So, yeah, let's pay attention to the market today because, yeah, it's beyond our expectations for the movement, and every recovery is just temporary. Okay, we do not FOMO to any bullish momentum so far. All right, so immediately on 1 hour time frame, you can see that gold prices gradually have a bearish momentum at the moment. Yeah, it's starting falling down, and even one in 1 minute time frame, one candle can up to 1,000 pips. I didn't lie. Yeah, you can see the smallest time frame, 1 minute, and you got your answer. So that's why today I advise you we should manage the trading volume well. Yeah, trading volume, manage this so well. Okay, today market is very crazy. So just catch to the correct trend. Yeah, catch to the correct trend, and we can have a incredible profit. But if you are wrong, your account may be washed out. Like I just said, in 1 minute time frame, it can increase. Yeah, one candle can move up to 1,000 pips. So today market didn't how to say didn't acting like a quiet lake. Yeah, it's like a tsunami. Like I used to warning to everyone. Hi MK. All right. If my friends, yeah, if you are new to my channel, yeah, I'm very happy that you like to this today live stream, and you can subscribe my channel to help me develop my channel more and more qualified. Thank you so much. Yeah, you can see that this 1 hour candle is dropping down to 4101, right? 4101. That's why that's why I told you, gold price is moving so crazy in today's market. And now, yeah, now on the 1 hour time frame, yeah, you can see that it's still lying down, lying below 3 EMA ribbons. So this shows you the market is still in a very strong downtrend, right? It cannot break out when it touched to EMA 34. Okay, so that's why, yeah, that's why. Any recover, any bullish momentum, it's just temporary. I switch into 5-minute time frame. Yeah, we will back to this breakout area. 30 to 28. All right, breakout price zone. Let me zoom it out. I will set up a buy signal around 44.30 to 44.28, and stop loss, yeah, we will set immediately at 44.22. All right, because today market is moves in a high volatility, so that's why our stop loss will be minus 80 pips. Yeah, so risk management and trading volume should be managed well. All right, control your trading volume. And now the signal is nearly to be active. Okay, get ready. It's getting closer to our signal right now. When I just start my live stream, yeah, gold price is just moving around near 44.93. Yeah, it's just dropping down $60. It's just falling down. Yeah, $60. Just 15 minutes, which is 600 pips. Okay, so that's why our stop loss will be wider a little bit, and your trading volume should be controlled well. Okay. And game set, I will move into 1-minute time frame, because right now, if you want to watch the candle move in detail, the only one time frame you can see is 1 minute. Yeah, 1-minute time frame. And when you do analysis for scalping signal, yeah, always follow the rule that we do analysis from the bigger time frame, like 1 hour, to help the analysis for the current trend. Okay, current market trend. And then, yeah, you're getting lower, you're getting deeper to the smaller one. Yeah, it just had the bullish reversal, bullish reaction when it touched to 33. Okay, so we're gonna miss, but do not FOMO this time. Be disciplined to our strategy, okay? And the situation in the Middle East country, yeah, the war between US and Iran is still very stressed out. Geopolitical tensions is increasing day by day. So that's why USD is keep on increasing. our entry is kind of lower from the reaction of the market. Yeah, 20 pips missing. 20 pips missing from the current entry. Yeah, you can see that the body of 1 minute candle is kind of small, but if we see in detail, yeah, it can move up to 50 pips. All right, and the reason why gold recover in today's London session because President Donald Trump, he's delayed the tax to iron up to 5 days after the effective negotiation with Iran. All right, and oil price is decreasing right now, so that's why gold can recover from $4,000 level up to $4,400 level just in 1 hour. And now every situation, every direction of gold market and other currency pairs like and other assets like silver or BTC or oil, yeah, it will wait for the next action of iron relating to the Hormuz channel, right? Canal, Hormuz canal, tunnel, yeah, Hormuz tunnel. Sorry. Okay, it seems like that we will wait for the next signal. And then another one. Yeah, we will consider to this resistance zone. I will give you another pending order. All right, another pending order at 60, 65 to 67 for the sell signal. All right, in today's live stream, we will wait for these two channel, yeah, these two signal active. Okay, everyone, are you clear for today trading signals on the live stream? Are you clear? And today, on Monday, we do not have any important news, so that's why the market will easily manipulate it. And tomorrow will be PMI. Yeah, PMI. Flash manufacturing PMI. And now it is forecasted lower than previous economic data. And today, and this week is kind of quiet for any important news that we do not have it too much. However, yeah, our world is waiting for the next action from Mr. President Donald Trump and Iran, because petrodollar, it will effectively directly and so severely to gold and USD. All right. So in the bigger time frame, like 1 hour, I just show you, in the beginning of the live stream. Even though that gold is recover more than $300 in today's London session. However, this action cannot forecast it for the stable uptrend will coming back soon. All right, because now you can see that when it touched to EMA 34, it immediately received the bearish momentum. All right, so that's why we shouldn't move to any buy position and hold it for too long. Okay, do not hold it for too long. And if you are already hold for the good position for sell signal, okay, just follow closely to your risk management lesson. All right, it's moving super fast and like a roller coaster. Super speed, yeah, super speedy that I have never seen it before. Gold market, I guess that it will move sideways around $100 level. Yeah, $100 price zone in the next 5 days. Yeah, at least this week, because according to the announcement, the latest announcement of President Donald Trump that he will delay the war, the attack to Iran up to 5 days. Yeah, because of the effective negotiation. But Iran, they are still doubting. Iran government, they're still doubting for this decision of Mr. President Donald Trump. Okay, so that's it, just an excuse. Yeah, it's made just an excuse that US, they're looking for another strategy, attack strategy, because now, now Iran is nearly got advantage. Yeah, it's really got advantage because they're controlling the route, the route and ocean route that deliver oil. And there are thousands of ships is waiting and stuck, are stucking at Hormuz right now. So gold price, oil price is still moving very crazy, very high. And I wonder if your countries that they just adjust the gas or oil price or not. Okay, our signal just got active. Hang on tight. Close the bad entry. Close bad entry when price reverse. Okay, you should close the bad entry, okay? It just falling down to 23 and now increased to 30. All right. 20 pips for everyone. Close back entry. Wow. The next 70 pips so fast. Okay. Very good for our pending order. Yeah. It just yeah, increased to 35 just in the blink of an eye. 30 pips for everyone. Okay, like I just said, the bearish momentum is still very strong, and if we already won for this scalping signal, yeah, quick in and quick out, quick in, quick out. Because now bearish momentum is still very strong and is having a temporary reaction at the EMA 89 in 1 minute time frame. So it seems like it didn't waste our waiting time, right? It didn't waste our waiting time. More than 20 minutes. Okay, you guys, do you have your winning profit? Do you have yourself your winning profit, my friend? Anyone enter the trade with me? No, no one? Yeah, because I received no response. So I wonder if you entered the trade with me or not. Yeah, like I just said, when it touched to 35, it immediately received the bearish momentum and falling down to our stop loss level. Because in a bigger time frame, the bearish momentum is still very strong. Oh, you did not enter? Yeah, this is the pending order I set up 20 minutes ago. Yeah, it's kind of pity for you that you didn't enter it. Yeah, it's having the reaction at the breakout area and EMA 89 around here. And it can move statically. Yeah, it can move statically. Even though that in 1 minute time frame, one candle can move up to 100 pips. All right, let's wait. Let's wait for the next round. I think that it will break down to a lower level. Yeah, that is in my opinion. Because previous body, it closed down. Yeah, it's closed down. The closing price below the breakout. We were looking for the next area. Yeah, this another next support zone. another buy signal. Okay, buy signal around 04. Buy around 04 to 06, and stop loss we will set at around 99. All right, it's active. This is active. The signal I just post. It could be so fast. All right, so fast, and we got 20 pips. It's active. Yeah, it's active right now. So this is the real-time trading signal. Let's pay attention to your MT5. All right, follow closely to risk management rule. All right, hurry up and so fast. Once again, it's heading 50 pips for our next signal. Yeah, it's really pity that you cannot enter this signal on time. One was pending order and the next one, yeah, is it the real-time trading signal? Wow, do you just see this? Heading to 22. Wow, it's just a blink of an eye. Oh dear, it's so fast, quicker than the speed I can calculate the running pips right now. Oh, that's so amazing. 25. Yeah, it's active, the entry 06 and up to 25. Yeah, less than 1 minute because the 1 minute candle is still forming at the moment. So impressive. 210. Yeah, 210 pips for the second signal. Today in our live stream, yeah, once again, we have very big victory winning trade together. Besides that, if you join my VIP channel, I will set up very early signal in the early Asian session for you. Okay, you can wake up early and become a successful trader with Golden Girl. Yeah, you can buy at 08 vitamin. Yeah, sorry that now I read your comment because I am too excited for the current signal that I just gave you on the live stream. Yeah, our entry is lower down a little bit. It's kind of good one. Okay, so I hope that you can enter the trade on time and winning more than 200 pips with me. Okay, anyone else? You enter the trade, shut a good buy position. And now, yeah, it's coming back to our previous entry, and I didn't recommend you to re-enter. If you really want to re-enter, just enter small lot, all right? Yeah, any recover momentum, it just happened in a short term. Congratulations for your profit that you can take in. Yeah, if you can receive it in today's live stream. Yeah, just spend your time, just spend your free time during my live stream, and together we have winning pips together. Very easy, right? It didn't take you any fee. Yeah, I didn't cost you any fee to receive the signal on a live stream, right? So just spend your free time and together make money. Very easy. Those are just free signal. All right, and you can see the result is very impressive. So you can imagine 15, more than 15 signals a day in a VIP channel. So how much profit, how much is the profit you can receive for 1 day I believe that you can calculate it for yourself. And the proof, the proof I show you is that on the left side, on the right side of the corner, the total summary winning pips, in our early Asian session today. Even though that the market is moving in high volatility, but by the true strategy, correct strategy, with the discipline, okay, we can maximize our profit easily, right? So don't be scared. Don't be scared to trade in this crazy market. Don't be scared because you already have the trustworthy fellow. Yeah, the trustworthy fellow. And I am yours. I am yours. Okay, thank you so much, my friends, for joining my live stream today. And I'm very happy that you can receive the winning profit, winning signals with me in today's live stream. Congratulations. Yeah, it starts moving sideways again, but I believe that the buy zone is still very strong. It's still moving in a high volatility. Now we cannot let our guard down and in any situation, in any session. All right, we cannot let our guard down because, like I share with you, in 1 minute time frame, it can move up to 100 pips. And if you are too greedy, you enter a lot of layers and you did not set the stop loss level on time. Markets can sweep your account easily, can wash out your account so fast. Okay, so anyone still hold the buy position right now? Anyone? It will sweep our stop loss. Yeah, because now the market is hunt for the stop loss. And if we set the stop loss too tight, shark can hunt it. Hi Babinka, welcome back my friends. I wonder if you enter my live stream today in the beginning or just now. Yeah, because we just had two big win. We just had two big win together. If you are still hold any buy position around 04, I believe that you're still in the game. Because our stop loss is set lower, as the level 43.99. Hi Flea, hi new friends. Okay, it's coming back to our entry. You can re-enter from small lot. Yeah, because now it will accumulating around 06 to 25. Yeah, it's very quickly. When it touched to 06 once again, and immediately it's got a bullish reaction. Okay, so I hope that next time you can join the live stream with me, and together you'll receive a qualified scalping signal to trade with me. Okay, it's just concur the previous peak at 26. All right, it's up to 28 and 29. The extra 20 pips, we have total winning pips. We gain in today's second signal 230 pips. So happy that today, yeah, we have a successful scalping signal for everyone. Anyone else in the buy signal? Yeah, right now I can see that Vitamin, he entered the trade. And I wonder how about you guys? Today market in the Asian session, market collapse. Yeah, gold market collapse. And from the London session, it recovered drastically up to $400 price zone, which is 4,000 pips recover. Wow, so impressive. Okay, let's coming back to our second signal. And now, yeah, it's conquer 35. And let's see, we can conquer to 300 pips in today's live stream or not. Let's wait. I'm too excited for the second signal. Okay. Yeah, we did. 320 pips in today's live stream signal, the second one. Wow, it's heading to 40. Can you see that, my friend? Can you see that? $340 pips. Okay, if you're still in the buy position around 06, I believe that you can hold it for the long term. It's starting adjustment for a while. Okay, my friends, can you interact with me? Yeah, just update your trading result to me. It will moving sideways at this area for a while, and I believe that market is recover in the short term, at least in today's New York session, because now it received a positive signal from US after the announcement, it is announcement of Mr. President Donald Trump about the pending attack to Iran up to 5 days. After effective negotiation, like he told. Okay, and 15 minutes left. I will end the live stream. So anyone have the question to me? All right, remember guys that we will have another signal that is waiting for us, the sell entry at 65 to 67. Okay, our buy signal is still running in a good direction. This is up to 420 pips so far. Okay, let's wait for the next signal. It will active around 65 to 67. You see that it will retrace, right? Retrace and recover. Okay, so if you still hold a good buy position around 06, you can hold it after we active the next sell signal. Okay, and it's still running in a good direction. I set up in the beginning of the live stream. And if you want to receive another qualified scalping signal, you can send me direct message on Telegram by searching this username. All right, let me type it on the chat. River Scalper via B. Okay, this is my username. You can find me on Telegram, and I will instruct you how to join in my channel with a very good fee. And the second option that you want to receive free scalping signal every day is that you can open your trading account under my link. All right, and so that I can support you to join in my channel as long as you can meet the significant profit significant deposit level. And the broker that I am using their service right now is Blue Prime. Yeah, Blue Prime from Australia. I have used them for more than 1 year. Yeah, for more than 1 year. And this is a very trustworthy broker that you are deserve to, you are trust, you can trust them to open your trading account. All right, good service, quick support, and how to say, very quick. Yeah, it will solve the withdraw money fast. Okay, guys, thank you so much for joining my live stream today and to support me to give you more and more qualified scalping signal. Don't forget to like today's live stream video and subscribe my channel to receive the notification whenever I start live stream. Okay, thank you so much, my friends, and see you next time on Wednesday. Yeah, next Wednesday. All right, thank you so much and see you again. Goodbye.